This is smartwatchauthority.com and we are unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. So this is the box that it came with, some labels and branding on the side, featuring that it's a lightweight watch, advanced auto fitness with heart rate and GPS for more accurate tracking. And it's a waterproof rated at 5 ATM, that means it can take water pressure up to 50 meters. So for a $200 smartwatch, this already has a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS, so that is a steal. Here is the watch snugly placed inside the box with a cylinder. Holding it in place underneath the cover, here are some paperworks. It is placed under a box. It comes with the user guide. Here you will see the button functions, the mic locations, and how to charge the watch. It also comes with a warranty card. When I purchased this one, it comes with a 1-year warranty from Samsung. So let's put that aside first. So here is the watch, snugly placed with the cylinder holding it in place. The Galaxy Watch Active has a very simple design, but very solid build. It is a steal at its price point of $200. It comes with an extra longer band for people with bigger wrists. Inside the cylinder is the magnetic charger, and you just plug this into any USB plugs and you are good to go. Let's put that aside for now and let's get into the watch. So the watch is pretty much simple. I like the black matte of the base with 2 buttons that are not very obvious. The heart rate sensor looks pretty much like the Apple Watch, and it has been said that with a software upgrade, this may have a blood pressure monitor. The band took inspiration from the Apple Watch's band as well, so this pretty much can be said that it is like the Apple Watch with a round form factor. They took out the rotating crown, but they must have a good reason to do that. Since this is an active watch, they may have thought it may be a distraction or will interfere your activity tracking while doing extraneous activity. But I guess at $200 price, you won't get wrong with this watch. So let's get into the setup. To turn on the watch, long press on the lower button until the logo comes out. To set up your watch, you have to sync it first with your smartphone. To do that, turn on the Bluetooth from your phone and it will detect your watch. Since I am using a Samsung phone, once you swipe up for setup, your phone will automatically detect your watch and download the Galaxy wearable app. Just follow the instructions and you should be set up in a few minutes. Now that the watch is paired, the phone will automatically sync with the app. On the app itself, you can add apps to your watch, set up widgets, and watch faces through the Galaxy Store. You can also customize the notification on your watch on how you want the notifications to prompt you on your watch, or mute the active phone or the active paired phone on your watch. You can also install and uninstall apps. You can also add and remove widgets and rearrange them according to your preference. Just select the widget you want to add by clicking on the plus sign, and to remove it, just click on the minus sign. You can also customize the vibration levels and set it when to vibrate. Display settings can also be customized, such as the brightness settings, screen timeout, and also you can change the background image. There's an advanced settings that you can also set, like the home key. You can set a function on it when you double press on the button. Set the watch to wake up on lifting on your wrist, or tap twice to wake the watch. You can also activate the water lock mode if you wish to go on swimming. Also activate the touch sensitivity, so on and so forth. The watch also has a fall detection that it contacts your emergency number when it detects a fall, when you don't respond to the watch. You can also add files to your watch like music or photos, but since the storage is not much, therefore it is very limited. You can also find your watch by locating it and it vibrates or it gets the location of the watch if it is still active. There are some accessibility options like zooming the screen, turning it to a negative color, or putting it into a grayscale. On the watch, you can also customize some settings like adding and removing apps. You can also add and remove widgets by a long press on a widget and tap on the minus icon. You can also add widgets at the end of the widget list and tap on Add. Like Samsung smartphones, you can swipe down to show some control settings like sleep mode, Bluetooth headset pairing, brightness settings, theater mode, settings, alarm, battery saving mode, airplane mode, water lock, Wi-Fi, location, and the magnifier. Most of the widgets that I set are the fitness or the health widget, also with stress, heart rate, and the other health applications. But you can also set the widgets at your own preference. Updating the software of the watch is simple. If you see a notification for a software update, you will find it in the About section. Just click on the Update Watch and tap on Download. It will download the software and transfer the files to your watch. Just wait till it finishes installing and you should be good to go. So that's it for the Galaxy Watch Active. Watch out for a full review of this watch, and if you don't want to miss that, just click on subscribe, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you and see you in the next video.